VOC_21_farming_008 in the heart of the countryside, where the rolling hills whispered the ancient tales of the land, there stood an old mill, its blades turning slowly in the early morning breeze. Nearby, an avocado tree and a rose bush added a splash of color and life to the landscape, a testament to the organic farming that Leo, a dedicated gardener, had embraced. Leo lived on a farm that was as diverse as it was vibrant. A cowshed housed a few dairy cows, while a pigsty was home to a sow and her piglets. The farm was also known for its stockbreeding. A flock of geese honked in the distance, a donkey brayed contentedly, and a flock of sheep led by a proud ram grazed near a vineyard that yielded grapes of the finest quality. The farmhand, a sturdy man with years of experience tilling the soil, guided the ox and plough through the fields, preparing the earth for sowing. A tractor, equipped with all manner of farming implements like a shovel, a fork, and a rake, stood ready to assist in the heavier tasks. Together they worked the land, sowing cereals and oil seeds including barley, which grew tall and strong under the careful tending of Leo and his team. In the garden, a world of its own, a gardener wielded a lawn mower, keeping the grass neat around a well that provided much-needed water in dry seasons. Here, Leo grew foodstuffs organically, from spinach and radishes to blackberries and tangerines. A bucket filled with water from the well would spill as Leo watered the plants, mindful of the measures needed to avoid a shortage or an excess that could harm the delicate balance of nutrients in the soil. Gardening was not just a job for Leo, it was a passion. He tended to each leaf, each blade of grass, and each daffodil with care, ensuring that everything from the avocado to the almond trees grew healthy and strong. The use of nitrates was avoided. Instead, Leo preferred to fertilize the soil with organic matter, ensuring that everything from the radish to the vineyard thrived naturally. In a corner of the farm, a duck quacked at the edge of a small pond, where a bee buzzed around pollinating the plants. Geese waddled past, and in the distance, a cockerel announced the start of a new day. The farm was alive with activity. A goat nibbled on a blackberry bush, a pony trotted along the fence, and a lamb followed its mother through the fields. Leo's farm was a haven for all who lived there, from the farmhand to the cattle dealer who would visit to discuss business. Together, they worked to ensure that the farm was not just a place to live but a thriving ecosystem where animals like the bull and the ox played as vital a role as the gardening and farming implements. As Leo looked out over his farm, from the pigsty to the cowshed, from the vineyard to the cereal fields, he knew that this was where his heart belonged. To live on a farm was to be part of something greater, a cycle of life that was as challenging as it was rewarding. With every plough of the field, every mow of the lawn, and every bucket of water drawn from the well, Leo was committed to nurturing the land that had given him so much.